Assalamu alaikum viewer, and this today video I am going to show you three beautiful brown eggs of a bird which are very cute. If you are new, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. I see people more closely. Just wait for a few seconds. I see you. I zoomed the camera. Viewers, I keep uploading daily bird videos on this channel. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video for more like the video. Wow, you can see viewers how the beautiful eggs. Viewers, you can see. Wow, very beautiful eggs. Viewer, please subscribe the channel and like the video. Wow, very beautiful eggs. Viewers, I keep uploading daily bird videos on this channel. Please subscribe the channel.